Meet Amelia, who lives in the enchanting land of the UK. Like many other homeowners, found herself in dire need of an air conditioning unit from the renowned online store. However, Amelia understood the importance of thorough research and careful decision-making before venturing into such a significant investment. She learned that positioning such a unit near a window would effectively release the hot air outside, ensuring maximum efficiency. In her quest for the perfect portable air conditioner, she stumbled upon a wondrous variety of split portable air conditioners at Bright Air. As she delved deeper into her research, she recognized that the location of her home held significance in her decision-making process. She knew that her air conditioner's features would depend on the climate, whether it was scorching hot or shaded by trees. With Bright Air as her guide, she confidently explored a wide range of portable ACs to meet her needs. And to her delight, they offered a generous gift of free fast delivery, ensuring her quest would reach a satisfying conclusion. If you are also looking for this product, visit Bright Air's website at www.brightair.co.uk.